Want to make your Windows 11 PC faster and more efficient? Microsoft PC Manager includes built-in tools to boost performance, clean storage, manage startup apps, and improve your system's overall health. In this guide, I'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. First, open Microsoft PC Manager from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Once the application loads, you'll have access to several optimization tools designed for Windows 11. Start by clicking PC Boost. This feature clears temporary files and frees up memory to help improve your computer's responsiveness. It's especially useful before gaming, editing videos, or running multiple applications. Next, open Health Check and scan your computer. Microsoft PC Manager looks for junk files, unnecessary startup items, browser-related data, and other issues that could affect system performance. Review the recommendations before applying them. Now visit Storage Management. You can remove temporary files, empty the recycle bin, locate large files, and recover valuable disk space to keep Windows running smoothly. Open Startup Apps to disable unnecessary programs that launch with Windows. Then review the Security section for quick access to Microsoft Defender and Windows security features that help keep your computer protected. Finally, keep both Windows 11 and Microsoft PC Manager updated. Installing the latest updates ensures better performance, improved stability, and access to the newest optimization features. And that's how to optimize Windows 11 with Microsoft PC Manager in 2026. By regularly boosting performance, cleaning storage, managing startup apps, and keeping your system updated, you can help your PC stay fast and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.